It is 12 noon. On this clock, the hour hand and the minute hand are overlapping. During which of the following time intervals do the two hands not overlap? So, say from 11 to 12:01. At 11, the hour hand would be pointing at 11 and minute at 12. So, as the 12 goes around, it will overlap the hour hand as it points towards the 12, just before 12:01. Therefore, A is incorrect. Now, looking at the next option, from 12:01 to 1:01. Now, the longer minute hand is pointing at 12:01. Then it will go around as usual. However, this time the hour hand will be moving towards the 1 up here. Therefore, as it rotates, it will never meet, even after it reaches the 12. Therefore, the answer is B.